Today we will be making vanilla cream buns. Brought to you by Vibo Whipping Cream and Jersey Butter Pan Margarine. Hello there everyone! This is MotherBee. Today I'll be showing you again an easy but yummy recipe. So let's get started! We will be needing bread flour 1 1/3 cups, all-purpose flour 1 2/3 cups, white sugar 1/4 cup, instant dry yeast 2 teaspoons, fine salt, ½ teaspoon, fresh milk 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons, Vibo whipping cream 3/4 cup, then add the Jersey butter pan. And vanilla 1 teaspoon. Continue mixing until the dough reaches a smooth and elastic stage. Try testing it by grabbing and stretching a piece of dough, and if it doesn't break, it means the dough is ready. Transfer it in a lightly greased mixing bowl. And cover with plastic cling wrap. Then proof for at least 1 to 2 hours or until the volume is doubled in size. Punch down to eliminate extra fermented air that was developed by the yeast. Then, try to roll the dough as a log. Then portion your dough into 80 to 100 grams each. Then roll on the surface using your palm as shown in the video to create a smooth and perfect round ball. Then transfer each dough into a lightly greased baking pan with at least 3 inches gap in between. Cover again with a cling wrap. Proof for at least 1 to 2 hours or until double in size. Check the dough if it's ready by dipping your finger into a water and try to poke lightly the surface of the dough. If you find a small dimple impression on the surface and you feel the dough that is very light, then it is ready to bake. Bake in a preheated oven set at 150 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes or until lightly golden brown. Remove from the oven and transfer them into a cooling wire. Cool for 30 minutes. Chill the Viva whipping cream at least 2 hours or overnight. Whip it until it doubles in volume and it's very airy and fluffy and stable. Then, get your piping bag fitted with a star tip or any plain tip. Slice in the middle halfway and open up the bread and pipe your whipped cream in the middle. Scrape it off cleanly. Then top with fruits that you prefer to add as a topping.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and follow me in Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Have a great day. Bye!